So today we're going to show you how to install Google Chrome. We'll head across to Google. We'll then go for Chrome, and you'll see a heading for google.com, and we'll just click on the link. We'll click download Chrome. You'll see that the stub installer file is downloading here. When that's finished, we'll give it a click. We'll say yes to that. And you can see it's already installing. Okay, so now that it's installed, it opens itself. So this is the Google Chrome window. We could close Edge from behind there. We don't need that anymore. So now that we've got Chrome installed, you'll see that Chrome's down at the bottom. You might want to pin this to your bar at the bottom here. So we do a right click on the icon, and then we click Pin to Taskbar. We may also want to move it across to over here, so we'll click and we'll drag it and drop it there. And then if we close that but then open it again, it will ask if it wants to be the default program. So this is going to be our default web browser, so we'll click use as default. It'll open up the default settings. So once we're in here, we need to see how we've got different programs for different purposes. Under the web browser tasks, we need to click that and then select Google Chrome. Microsoft's trying to convince us to keep it on Edge, but we're going to say switch anyway. We'll close that window. We'll close that window. We'll open it up again. And that's it. Google Chrome is now installed. Your support is really important to us, so if you wouldn't mind, please go and visit our YouTube channel and click the subscribe button. That would be really appreciated. Thank you.